on, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 East to West Della Terra. This is going to be their 251 RD. We start with that pass-through storage. Obviously it does go all the way through, but if I take a step back, we can check out the campsite of this travel trailer. You have a pretty good size awning, nice LED light strip underneath, dual entrance with solid steps underneath both of the entrances. You have dual axle, a couple of windows out here, but if we take a step on the inside, we're going to start at the very back first. So on the back wall, you're going to find this U-shaped dinette. It does fold into a bed. You also have storage on the left-hand side underneath as well as up above. One slide out in this travel trailer altogether. This one's going to consist of your theater seating. You do have recline as well as remote storage and cup holders in the middle. Pretty good size fridge for the travel trailer that we're working with. And then across from that, you're going to see your kitchen area. So you have your smart TV, sound system, fireplace, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, storage above, storage below, and then check out this massive kitchen sink. Definitely oversized. If we go through this door here, we're going to find your pass-through bathroom. So on the right-hand side, you have your shower with your skylight, porcelain toilet, of course. And then on the other side, you find your medicine cabinet, sink, and storage down below. If we keep moving forward, you're going to run into your main bedroom. This is going to be a king-size bed. Storage surrounding. You also have chargers and outlets on either side. But there is that second entrance that we saw on the outside. You also have a window on the left-hand side as well as your TV backer. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 East to West Della Terra. Thank you so much. Have a great day. But if I take a step back, we can check out the campsite of this travel trailer. You have a pretty good sized awning, nice LED light strip underneath, dual entrance with solid steps underneath